The complete disassembly of the car. Side skirts off, bumpers off, spoiler off, door panels off as well. Going to do some more jet washing just to get all the dust and as much as that off. Headlights out. Some wrappers will actually leave everything on and wrap and tuck it all in, but I've got the time and the space, so I'm just going to take it all off, wrap it as I need to, and tuck it in round the corners, because I don't have the skill to do what people like CK wraps, Paradox wraps. I ain't got their skill. So this is me, all stripped, ready to go. So, quarter panels done, boot done, doors done, front wings done. I've had the black roof since before I started wrapping it blue, which I'm happy to keep. I bought some black wing mirrors because I thought if I'm gonna obviously wrap here, and side somewhere in separate pieces. But if I leave just a little bit of black, it will just look like a normal wing mirror. I might change the pillar posts to blue. I'm going to leave the spoiler black for the time being. I've got carbon fibre handles to put on there, carbon fibre. Now I'm just about to do the bumper. So I had the bumper sprayed black. Side skirts are at home, so I'll do them at home. Same with the rear bumper, not all black, just the lower piece. Not too sure how I'm going to do the rear bumpers because I think these bits are going to be quite difficult to do in terms of pulling it in, stretching and all that sort of stuff. Then again, I'm worrying about it, it might not be that difficult. So that's the update at the moment. Move this out of the way. The one thing I will say is that it has taken me a fair few months to get to this point. Job, married, kid, all that sort of stuff. I've got to be careful how I word this, get in the way. That is it at the moment. Halfway point, let's go. Let's get that bumper back off and let's start going. Just going to give a quick update as to where I am. Pretty much the whole car is wrapped. Well, the whole car is wrapped. I'm going to do some talking at this point because I've got the whole place to myself. Actually, I did have the whole place to myself. That is actually a dead bird there. But other than that, got the whole place to myself. So take the cover off and I'll just go round it, what I need to do. I didn't do any videos on the side skirts. I did them actually off camera, took them home and did them just when I had some spare time. The rear bumper's done. I'm not overly happy with it. I suppose with a more experienced rapper, they would do proper inlays correctly in there, probably the lights, maybe down here. Whereas I tried to stretch in as much as possible. Apart from the square piece there, I was going to try and do the outer bits as part of the whole bit, but crap. So I didn't. I've got enough material. I'm going to rewrap that bumper because now I've got a bit more experiences, particularly around the complex bits. So ignore that. I just need to bolt that back on. So that's the rear bumper. So side skirts just need to be bolted on. The bonnet I did black, and I'm not happy with the black because I've got black, 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 and I think the bonnet might just be a bit too much. And the other thing about black is, I don't know if you can see, there's quite a bit one there maybe. It scratches very easily, so I've heard that you can heat it up and the scratches will come out, but I'm not overly happy with the whole black look on the bonnet. Anyway, front bumper, I was happy with that. That's not got a problem there. Maybe a bit around the lights, I don't know, but I'm not charging anybody for it, so it is what it is. Other than that, some mistakes here and there, nothing major. It was more the rear bumper and the bonnet that I just wasn't overly happy with, but I do think that I need to get some adhesion primer, adhesive primer, whatever they call it, just to make sure like the corners are all properly done and sticking down. Other than that, it's not that far off. So what I need to do now is the electrics, because they're all hanging down there. So I've got the light there, them bits there. So I'm going to wire all that up to work, obviously. They're all wired up. And then I've got my daytime running lights on there, which at the moment in time, they just work with the side lights. So I've sort of used these, got them off eBay. I went with the blue, but the last time I ordered them, they were a lighter blue to sort of match the car. But I got these ones. I think they're like motorcycle visor thing bolts. So I got them, drilled the holes out slightly wider on the body so the rubbery bit can go in and then it just threads in. They were quite cheap, so all the way across there. And then I have ordered these 10mm nuts and bolts side skirts, and I'm hoping for the rear bumper I can use them in the front bumper and possibly other fixings along the way. So I've ordered them, and they're gonna, I'll get sick of all the rusty ones that I was taking off, so I thought, bugger it, I'll order some others. What's that noise? Hello, birdie!